because I turned 51 today. As I shared with my state chairman a couple of days ago, or was it yesterday, it is a miracle that I am still standing. And at every point, I must give thanks to God. I am a cancer survivor. I was diagnosed with stage 3 cancer over 10 years ago. But as you see me, I have been cancer-free for at least 5 years. By the grace of God. I have had multiple surgeries. But even before that, I was only 19 years old. In my final year at University of Benin, when I lost my mother at the UBTH. My mother did not make it to 49. Anything could have happened. My journey would have been different. The loss of a mother at that critical stage in one's life can just turn things around. But God was there, and He has been there all these 31 years till today. She died when I was writing my final examinations. I became a lawyer. I started my legal career. I set up a law firm in conjunction with my other brother. And ultimately, I became president of the Nigerian Bar Association. So you understand why I'm excited, why I'm happy, why I'm grateful to God. And that is why I've gathered friends and family here to celebrate with me. My family is very important to me. The Akpata family of Benin. They are here. But you know, in Benin, all families are intertwined. So when I mention Akpata, I'm also mentioning Obasoha, my mother's family. I'm mentioning Izeyamu, Baswai, Eru, Woye, Asemota, Ahiobari. They're all here. Agbotai, Uzi, Edo Saki. They're all my family. Uzebu, Ine, they're all my family. And I thank you all for coming. Aluyi.
I think you forget.
Represented here by Bros Marshal. Bros Marshal Aluyi is here. My family is important to me. And then my legal family. Like I said, I've been a lawyer for 30 years. And my legal family, they are here. But I have a new family. The Labour Party of Nigeria. They've received me warmly, they have welcomed me, they have accepted me into their fold, and I have assured them that any group that I belong to, I make an impact. I add value. And that is what we will do at the Labour Party. The Labour Party will continue to rise in ascendancy by the special grace of God. So I want to thank you all for coming. All these groups that represent or speak to the story of my life. All of you who are here seated, I want to thank you. If I missed you out, please forgive me. I know I have a prodigious memory, but sometimes it fails you. But I just want to thank you and ask that we have fun and make merry. We will not be doing too many speeches, but there will be time for certain in the course of the event where we will have to do a couple of things that will need one or two of us to superintend. But let me say from the bottom of my heart, I am most grateful for your presence. Again, I thank His Excellency, Comrade Philip Shaibu and his wife. Thank you. I am grateful to you, Your Excellency, for making time to celebrate with me. Our SSG, my in-law, Obohia, you are most welcome. And all those in your entourage, I thank you. And may God bless you all. Labour Party! I will stop there.
OLU AKPATA na my brother. My name na Omoru Akpata. OLU AKPATA na my junior brother. OLU na area, OLU na family. OLU na person wey understand grassroots. If you say make you do area on grassroots, now Olu be number one. If you say make you do Ajebota level, now Olu be number one. If you say make you do book on Olu number one. If you say make you follow career and lawyer, Ogbonge lawyer to the extent, Olu can't do law. He can't be president. God can't help him, can't be president of Nigerian Bar Association. Nationwide, though. Not before only be Edo State, too. Nationwide, Olu can't be president Nigerian Bar Association. And he did records here, before Olu enter, and even as he come out, so nobody don't break in records. If you decide to tell you lie, then you go find out. Therefore, Olu na person, if you know her well, the only way he hate shout and lie. Olu hate lie. As you see, and so, what he tell you today, go back and if you see 30 years later, the exact thing I go tell you, you know, be bend truth. So Olu na person, he get hard to feel for people. Before you come now, somebody just come me, come tell me, say, I bet me thank Olu, my pikin, suppose go study abroad. Olu you here small. You just buy tickets, you just do sponsor. You know, that's what they do for every orphanage, everything. You know they tired to the help. So that is why I thank God today for his life as they mark in 51st birthday anniversary. Make God where they uphold them, so may continue to hold them well, give them good health, continue to promote and give them that heart where God give them, where they help everybody, family or no family. May God continue to give them in Jesus' name.
This man, where you see, this OLU AKPATA, where you see so, all of us, we are very proud of him. But I mean, man. This, our brother, we are so proud of him. He's the only one that have carried us, don't take us to that pinnacle of we call the lawyer. When we say lawyer for Nigeria, they carry us reach that level. Today now, all of us they here to celebrate him in 51 years birthday. I dey here Kankpe, Gidigba to come. I know they come out. I know they go anywhere. He's senior brother. Omoruyi, now my good friend. All the friends were close to them, my friend. I dey here Kankpe. This is a project where he carry so. We go follow him. We go work out with him. And he go reach that government house. Because where he don't carry we, go Oba talk by he said to our hearts, they make euro. And everything when he want, anything he want to do, we take back.
Olu is my friend. We don't know each other for over 30 years. Now a great man, a correct bobo. And we come today, come celebrate with him as 51. So we wish him a very happy birthday.
OLU AKPATA Esquire. First, now my cousin. And it is celebrate 51. All of us can join them, celebrate that 51. Because Olumide, he get ambition for many things. You know, say now he lead us for MBA and he lead us well. So we dey very proud of him. And now that proudness, now he make me come say, make I join everybody, celebrate with him. And say make the desire where he gets, make he achieve him successfully.
The Labour Party platform for 2024 governorship election. Today we are not ashamed to identify with him as our aspirant. When the history of his life is told, we show that he become a villain, or we should be compassionate. We should celebrate with him. We should share with him in this occasion. This occasion is not because he's aspiring, but it's an occasion of his own personal life. And therefore Labour Party feel elated coming to share with a man who has almost the worst experience of life. And that's why we're here. OLU AKPATA is our own today, as our own aspirant, and we see him as a good fellow.
I'm here to celebrate Barrister OLU AKPATA. Barrister OLU AKPATA is a good person, and you can see here, he gathered many people together, and these people show that different walks of life, different professions, different political parties, and it shows that he's a good man, and we're here to support him.
Well, you know, Bini, Agbon Hikpakpa, Eri Gekor, Eriono. Okay. So you see that I'm taking my lessons. I will not take any more time. I hope somehow I've been able to express in a manner that is understandable to all of you. My gratitude from the bottom of my heart, how indeed I am indebted to all of you for taking out time to be with me today. Let's make it a date, 7th of October 2024, when I will turn 52. And it is the expectation that we will be at the cusp of moving from my present residence to that little part of Benin that is called Government House. Wahia Wese. Wahia Wese. Oba Atokpe. My sister, my belly sweet. As I talk for inside just now, you know, my own workout to reach this 51 not easy. You know, until person enter hospital, you know, go know what God do for her. You know, and to reach 51 for me. Firstly, I thank God. My mama died, you know, reach 49. And me, I was not even 40 when I get cancer. And by the time I get that cancer, the doctor, they look me. If you see the sorry eye when the doctor, they don't look me, you're going to say the thing, you know, the matter hard. But somehow God entered the matter. And you know, so when God don't enter matter, not the hard again. You know, and so for me, every year, once my birthday reach every year, na Thanksgiving. So now today I tell them, I say, today not be the day to make speech. Oh. Today not to thank God. Say, I reach 50, can't even add one on top. And I know, say, he don't promise me, say, long life he go give me. So now that's mind, I take thank him. Thank him for the 51 and thank him for the other years when I know, say, he go add, give me. So, I bet let's sweet. I happy well. I happy well. And Bible talks, say, now only fool, now no go come back to say, thank you. I know what God don't do for me. God hand there on top of my life. So the whole reason for this one is to just thank him. And to thank him publicly. Because it's one thing to say you thank him inside your house, but to come out and tell other people, say, see what God don't do for me. Now I they call testimony. Now I give today. You see, when they say we'll be Christians, say, not be how many Bible you sabi read. By their fruits you shall know them. Not be so Bible talk. So it's good as we are taking each step, it's good make we show others. Say it is good to thank God. In all things, as the Bible talk, give thanks.